Hello everyone, this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video I want to talk about a topic that I mentioned in a few videos before, and I said I'm going to talk about it. So this is the stripped down retargeting campaign, and why I should do a stripped down retargeting campaign. So a stripped down retargeting campaign is basically what it sounds like. So basically you are peeling up the layers from down to upwards, because as retargeting campaign goes, you will see that it's going to be feeding one layer to each other. So the first thing you have to do with your retargeting campaigns is collect data. So first you have to run normal campaigns, conversion, add to cart, traffic, any kind of conversion campaigns or video views, engagement. It doesn't matter, you have to drive data to your traffic, to your website, and from that website you will collect data, or not you, your pixel, which you have to install in terms of retargeting, because we are right now talking about Facebook retargeting and IG retargeting, because I'm not going to get into Google retargeting. However, you can do that, and you can use the pixel for it actually, as well as you can set up the tag manager, the Google tag manager, to tag your conversions which you get from Google, to tag the conversions into your Facebook pixel, and vice versa. Actually no, the Facebook pixel can't check your data into your Google Analytics. However, the thing is that once you will collect enough data, what is enough data? So enough data is at least 500, but I recommend 1,000 people per conversion action. So what is a conversion action? A conversion action is can be, for example, website visits, unique clicks, and website visits. Yeah, that's almost the same, not the same, because that's going to be talking about right now, because a unique click is a click that is not just an unlucky click or a fortunate click. So basically they are going to your site to see something and they will watch it and all that kind of stuff. This is a unique click. So basically it's separated from a click and from a website visit, because they can visit your websites unintentionally. That's the reasoning behind a click and a unique click. So the first action which we would be retargeting with a stripped down retargeting campaign is unique clicks, because those are actually clicks that are at least a little bit care about our site. So first we will retarget them to get them to at least the cart, at least the product page, and get them to buy. But if they are not buying, then they will at least get to the add to cart page, hopefully. And then in the add to cart page you again have to set up a data list from 500 to at least 1,000 people. Okay, let's talk about 1,000 people. So at least you have to set up a data list for 1,000 people. And from the 1,000 people, you can then now retarget them who added your product to their cart and can get them to finish their cart. And the great thing about add to cart is this is the point where you can start to push pain points. What are these pain points? Pain points are things that will push them through to your conversion. So basically pain points can be hurry. So you can say that, okay, we hold your car for 2 more hours, so come back and see what's happening with our site. Or you can give exclusive discounts to them who are holding their items in your cart, but it's not exclusive, we know, and we are not holding them for 2 hours, that we know. And of course you can get into the out of stock or low stock or any kind of this kind of marketing blah blah. And yeah, you can do that, by the way, because they are really great, and these are the general pain points. However, in certain industries you can use certain other pain points which you can push again, which are going to be yielding other results than just this. But the thing is that your most important thing you should do is push these pain points and get them to buy, or at least get them to get to the third layer actually. So the third layer is abandoned checkout, because once you have an abandoned checkout, then it's pretty much sure that they wanna buy, but they are either don't have the money, which you don't need to assume, because probably they have the money if they started to check out. So yeah, in the cart, they maybe just add it up and they told that it's too much, but it doesn't really matter, because at least you will try to retarget them and get them at least to the checkout. And if they get to the checkout, they most likely to buy from you. So at this point you have an 80% retargeting rate, which means that 80% of the people who you retargeting will probably buy, and you close the deal. So you get these people to some exclusive offer, or push the pain points again, or even now push the pain points even better, and really go deep down and retarget them as much as possible to yield the best benefits for you, which is basically to buy from you, because that's the reason of a whole retargeting campaign, is to close the fucking deal. Okay, so that's the reasoning behind a retargeting campaign, is to close the deal. And the best point to close the deal is when you are sliding them the contract, basically, and they are almost, so the signing is the buy, and you sliding them the contract with your retargeting checkout retargeting, so, and they will fucking sign it. They have a really high percentage, and if they don't, then they will get so many fucking ads that they will sign it at one point. Okay. And then once they bought from you, then of course they will get into your email list, which we talked about it a lot. But to do with it, the email campaign, to upsell, and you should be starting to upselling them, starting to nurture them, starting to retarget them on your email address. However, if you feel like and you have the capital, you can upsell them inside of not inside, on social media, if they are not bought from your email list. And probably you can include and exclude this on Facebook. It's not probably, you can do that, but the thing is that you can do it by the way that you will get people to either buy your product in the email marketing and the upsell in the email marketing, or they get an ad to buy it on social media. And this is what you should do, because you will cover all the angles and basically get a lot of people to buy it. And on that, you will also push pain points about how these two products are good together, and how they fit together, and why you need one from another, and all the kind of stuff. You will push those pain points as hard as possible. Okay, so yeah, basically that's the stripped down retargeting campaign. So you come from the clicks, because the clicks going to feed into the add to cart. More clicks retargeting you get, the more people will come back, and that the clicks are the most like broad, because they can be unintentional, as we talked about, but if you target the unique clicks, that's going to be more likely to be an intentional click who are interested in your shit. Now you can basically filter them by time as well, so you can give them a time frame which they should spend on your site, or yeah, you can get a 25 percentile of people spend on your site. So yeah, you will see when you are doing a retargeting campaign that you can narrow it by how many time they spend, or how much time they spend on your site, which you should do that, by the way. So unique clicks will feed into the add to cart, and between those two layers you can add another one, especially if you have a video kind of basically a fucking video on your site, that's, and how much they watched from that video, you can retarget those too. But first unique clicks, add to cart, and the add to cart will feed into the checkout. So you retarget this, get into this, you retarget this, get into this, and the abandoned checkout will get into the buy, and the buy will get into the email marketing, and the email marketing, if they don't get the upsell, then you can sell them again on social media. And this is the fucking bulletproof retargeting campaign you should do, because basically it's covering all the edges and get people get to your system. They will buy from you no matter what the fuck they do. They will fucking, you will fucking close them. And that's all you need to know. You will close them now or never. But this retargeting campaign is bulletproof, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please leave a like. Our strategies and things are in the description down below, and if you're interested in it, yeah, description down below. Subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next one. Have a nice day, guys.